We, the Indian Leather Technology Association, going to celebrate its 75 years of journey with lots of milestone activities for the development of leather science and technology and for the growth of the industry. We will celebrate our 75th footstep on 14th August 2025 at Science City Mini Auditorium. We have selected a quite interesting subject which is extremely important in today's context for the leather industry. That is raw hides and skins, which is the backbone of the leather industry. And we, the Indian Leather Technology Association, always trying to upgrade the technology of the industry so that industry can produce a very good quality leather which can be exported to any country of the world. You might be knowing that our leather industry in India is a major foreign currency earner among the textile, diamond, and engineering and other industries. So we are sure that this event will be useful and government will take suitable policies so that the quality of raw hides and skins in Bengal and in India are become better over the years, and accordingly the industry will be able to use that quality for making a good quality leather. So we'll be getting all the associations, academic institutes and the government departments in this seminar to participate, and will deliver very important lectures which will be highly useful for the technologists and for the factories working in Calcutta and any parts of India. The participants will be from West Bengal Animal and Fishery Science University, from West Bengal Livestock Development Corporation Limited, from Council for Leather Export, from Indian Leather Products Association, from FDDI, NEET, and many other associations, including the academic institutes like Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology, Putra Institutes, and many other institutes situated in Bengal and other parts of the country. We hope we will be able to get a successful result from this whole-day seminar, and we want to invite whoever is connected with this industry to participate in this national whole-day seminar and be benefited of knowledge and share your experience with us so that we can take proper initiatives for a good and better leather industry in Bengal. Thank you very much.